This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. Over 2 beautiful acres with a septic system installed and creek frontage. Unrestricted, so you can use it as you would like. Just off paved state-maintained road, this property is sure to impress. Electric to the property. Additional acreage available as well. Additional acreage has a well, no pump, and another septic system. For more information, review the details below or contact Carol Robinson at 866-835-8500 extension 105.